How to stop cheque payment in HDFC? First of all, go to the official website of HDFC Bank and hover over the login button. From the drop-down menu, select NetBanking. Then, log into your account using your customer ID and password. After logging in, click on the Request tab from the left side menu. Scroll down and select Stop Payment of Cheque. Next, select your account number. If you want to stop a single cheque, make sure the start cheque number and the end cheque number are the same. But if you need to stop a series of cheques, for example, cheque number 678, then enter 6 as the starting number and 8 as the ending number. Next, select a specific reason for stopping the cheque. You will see options like wrong amount, cheque lost, or others. Choose the one that applies to your situation. After entering your cheque number, click on Continue. Once you submit the stop payment request, that cheque becomes invalid and cannot be reissued. Finally, click Confirm to complete the process. You will see a confirmation message saying that your stop cheque payment request has been submitted successfully. And that's it. Now you know how to stop cheque payment in HDFC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.